Hi, I'm Kim. This is the fourth and hopefully last video I'm going to make about using your Fuji camera as a webcam. The first one I made was using the USB live feed, connecting to your computer and running a couple of apps there to get you online. Fuji quickly responded with the growing need for this current use of our cameras as webcams, giving a bit more quality, and released a couple of drivers, first for Windows PC users and then followed obviously by Mac users, which was a very simple thing to do, just install their app, plug in and go, which is really the way it should be. But that was limited to certain cameras, any cameras that could live view tether, like the X-T3 or 4 or X Pro 3, that kind of thing. So a lot of cameras were left out of the loop, but if you have a HDMI output on your camera, you could use a capture card. But capture cards are very hard to get, which kind of what led me to make the first video. But anyway, also being quite expensive, these capture cards, I thought there must be a much cheaper option out there. They can sometimes cost hundreds of euro, even the Camlink 4K costs well over 100 euro. But if we just need a 1080 webcam, surely it doesn't have to be that expensive. So I went digging on the internet and found this guy called HDMI Video Capture. It cost, I think, €6 plus about €4 in shipping. So I spent about a tenner on this thing. Will it work? Is it any good? I don't know. I haven't plugged it in yet, but I'm going to go test it and see what it is. It supposedly takes a 4K input, converts that to a 1080 feed the computer can understand, and then I am web streaming from my HDMI, which should give me a much better quality than the USB variant. So let's plug it in and see how we get on. Woo. So we're back. I have plugged in the capture card into my iMac here and connected it up through my monitor, which has HDMI in out. It'll push out a 4K and yeah, let's see how we get on. It should give me 1920 by 1080 output onto my Mac for streaming here. I have it set for 160 kilobit in the audio because that's what streaming is set at. So I'm going to hit start recording, which I think is that button, and see how we get on there. So hopefully I'm looking at it on my computer over here and in my little monitor up here. And I'm just going to look at the lag, and yeah, that seems pretty good. It's a little bit slower on the capture card, but nothing I think that is too bad. But you maybe be the judge of that. We'll see, because obviously you're going to be watching this recording screen. I might put the two of them up side by side so you can see what the differences is, if I can time code them right. But yeah, I think all in all it's not too bad, considering we're streaming. Hopefully the quality will be good, and that's really where I'm aiming at here. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. I mean, it was just plug and play, which is, like I said earlier, the way it should be. So for €10, I think that's a great step up in quality. Anyway, that's all for me. I'm sure I'll be back soon with the next video now that I'm back off my holidays. We're on lockdown here at the moment still, so can't really get out and do anything too interesting, but we're making the most of what we can do, and that's all we have for the moment. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please remember to like and subscribe, and let me know how you get on in the comments. I'll link this little part below if you want to go check it out. Like I said, it was about €6 for me plus a little bit of shipping, so a very cheap way of getting your Fuji camera or any other camera with a HDMI output online to use as your webcam. Okay, cheers, bye. Well, that's much better. I think I got everything there.